A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Saint Matthew. Glory to you, O Lord. Do not think that I have come to establish peace on earth. I have not come to bring peace, but a sword. For I have come to set a man against his father, a daughter against her mother, a daughter-in-law against her mother-in-law. Each one will have as enemies those of one's own family. Whoever loves father or mother more than me is not worthy of me. And whoever loves son or daughter more than me is not worthy of me. And whoever does not take up his cross and come after me is not worthy of me. One who wants to benefit from his life will lose it. One who loses his life for my sake will find it. Whoever welcomes you welcomes me, and whoever welcomes me welcomes him who sent me. The one who welcomes a prophet as a prophet will receive the reward of a prophet. The one who welcomes a just man because he is a just man will receive the reward of a just man. And if anyone gives even a cup of cold water to one of these little ones because he is a disciple of mine, I assure you, he will not go unrewarded. When Jesus had finished giving his 12 disciples these instructions, he went on from there to teach and proclaim his message in their towns. The Gospel of the Lord. Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.